Hey guys, I'm Kalilah Reynolds and it's now time for Money Mondays, JA, brought to you in partnership with Proven Wealth and the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Before we start, I just want to say a big thank you to everyone for supporting my new show, Taking Stock, which officially debuted on YouTube and nationwide radio last week. To everyone who attended the launch, shared the video, watched and liked the video, oh, I appreciate you so much. A new episode debuts this evening at 7, and if you stick around until the end of this video, you'll get a little teaser of what's in store for later. Now to current business. When I say the market is on fire, the market is on fire. Those of you who watch my IG stories would have seen me just a couple of weeks ago talking about how I think ShipMe should do an IPO. Well, guess what? No, ShipMe isn't listing, as far as I'm aware anyway, but one of their rivals, Mailpac, is. I saw stories about this widely reported last week. Mailpac CEO Carrie Robinson is quoted as saying that it would be the largest junior market offering in Jamaica's history. Now, the junior market takes companies up to 500 million Jamaican dollars. That's about 3.7 million US. And Robinson has reportedly said that they're going for that maximum amount. What are they going to use that money for? A full half of it, $250 million, will go to pay back a loan they received from their parent company, Norbrook Equity Partners, over the past 2 years. That money was reportedly used to revamp the company's infrastructure, technology, and strategic positioning. Now, there aren't any details on what they'll do with the rest of the money. It just says that they will use it to position the company for future growth. That's very vague. But Robinson did hint at the possibility of acquisitions. He's quoted in the Financial Gleaner as saying, all of Norbrook's businesses have always grown in two ways, organic growth or acquisitions. So we're either finding ways to grow revenue through new business lines and better technology, or we go and buy competitors. We're also looking to expand this business both locally and regionally. And then he went on to say that they want to get rid of that large debt so that if there's an opportunity to acquire another company, they have the financial flexibility to pounce right away. I wonder who, if anyone, they're considering acquiring. Well, I have so many questions about this one. I can't wait to read the prospectus, like what is their market share? Now, according to an article in the Financial Gleaner, they now have around 50,000 customers, that's Mailpac. And then Robinson also told Loop News that an estimated 6% of Jamaicans shop online. Now, let's do some quick math here. Assuming a population of about 2.9 million people in Jamaica, that would mean about 174,000 Jamaicans are shopping online, of which Mailpac claims to have 50,000. So that would be nearly 30% of market share. And Robinson does claim that Mailpac is the dominant market leader in the industry. Now, I personally have never used Mailpac, but I might just try them out of curiosity to see how their service compares with others. I've tried about probably 4 or 5 services so far personally, and I'm always looking for that sweet spot between speed and price. Now, if any of you guys watching have used Mailpac before, let me know in the comments what you think of their service and how they compare to others in the business. What do you like and what don't you like about Mailpac? According to the articles that I've read, some of the ways they've differentiated themselves from their many competitors is by offering free returns, a tax-free address, and 11 delivery locations. Now, those are all attractive features, and they definitely need that advantage in this very competitive space. It feels like every day a new shipping company just pops up. I literally heard on Twitter about one offering fees of just $500 for up to £5. Like the entire £5, you know, not $500 a pound, but for up to £5. But they only ship once a week, so it takes a little bit longer to get your stuff. And I only mention that to say that the industry is very competitive. Everyone seems to want a piece of the pie as the demand for the service just explodes and more Jamaicans shop online, both with increased access to banking services and credit and Visa debit cards. By the way, I hear MasterCard is also coming with a MasterCard debit card for Jamaica soon. As a matter of fact, the Loop article says that Mailpac is going to be offering a Mailpac prepaid MasterCard. And you know MasterCard has a new office in Jamaica and they're trying to expand their reach. This is one of the ways that they're doing that in a space that's dominated by Visa. And then also there are improvements in the economy. As employment figures are up, more people are working, and so more people have disposable income. According to the Loop article, online shoppers jumped from just 0.2% of Jamaicans in 2009 to more than 6% now, which is still pretty low. I predict it's going to get much, much higher than that. In the US, for example, it's reported that about 79%, so 4 out of every 5 Americans shop online. And these are some of the considerations when you're thinking about investing in this industry. Now, a little background about Mailpac. They're 10 years old, so they were one of the early players in the business in Jamaica. This IPO would also make them the first of this type of shipping/e-commerce company to list. Yes, there's Kingston Wharves that's listed, but that's not really e-commerce. They're just more on the shipping side. And Mailpac also seems to be growing fast, 23% in 2018 and nearly 25% in the first 3 quarters of 2019, according to the numbers that they're reporting. As for the timeline for this offer, it's reported to be sometime later this year. NCB Capital Markets has been selected as the lead broker, and of course I'll have much more information and a full review when the prospectus is out. And tune in this evening at 7 to Taking Stock on YouTube or Nationwide Radio. I'm going to be asking the analysts what they think about Mailpac based on the information so far. Also on Taking Stock, I'm talking to the Managing Director of MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, David Dallaire. Like I told you last week, they have a rights issue coming up. Well, that's it for this episode of Money Mondays JA, brought to you by Proven Wealth and the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Thanks for watching. I'm Kalilah Reynolds. Follow me on Instagram at Kalilah Ray and subscribe to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/Kalilah Ray. Like and share this video and comment below. What are your thoughts on Mailpac? Let me know and I'll see you later.